Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and I'm pumped to be teaming up with Walter to share some game-changing severe morning habits. We will dive into what makes a morning routine excellent and plentiful. Whether you're a morning person or someone who hits the snooze button a few too many times, these tips are for you. We all know how you start your day can make or break it, right? The first few moments after you wake up set the tone for everything that follows. It's like setting the stage for a play. If the opening act is strong, the rest of the performance will likely follow suit. It's like, you wouldn't try to run a marathon without stretching first, would you? Just as athletes prepare their bodies for peak performance, we must prepare our minds and bodies for the day ahead. This preparation can be the difference between a day where you feel sluggish and unproductive, and a day where you feel like you can conquer the world. Think of your morning routine as that pre-marathon stretch for your entire day. A series of small, intentional actions set you up for success. These actions don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Even a few minutes can make a huge difference. It's about setting yourself up for success, both physically and mentally. When you take the time to focus on your well-being first thing in the morning, you're investing in yourself. This investment pays off through increased energy, better focus, and a more positive outlook on the day. We're talking about simple changes that can significantly improve your life. Imagine starting your day with a nutritious breakfast that fuels your body, or practicing gratitude and setting your intentions for the day. These small habits can ripple effect, leading to better choices and a more fulfilling life. Over the following few chapters, we will dive deep into 10 specific habits that can help you feel healthier, more energized, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws. These habits are designed to be easy to implement so you can start seeing benefits immediately. We're talking about things like getting that hydration in first thing. Drinking water right after waking up starts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Fit in a quick workout. Physical activity in the morning boosts energy levels and improves mood. Whether a full workout or just a few stretches, moving your body can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Take a few minutes to clear your mind. Mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing can reduce stress and increase focus. Starting your day with a clear mind helps you stay calm and centered, no matter the challenges. These aren't just random tips, they're backed by science and make you feel amazing. Research shows these habits can improve physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Plus, they make your mornings something to look forward to. So, if you're ready to upgrade your mornings and transform your life, buckle up and let's get started. We're excited to guide you through this journey and can't wait to see the positive changes you'll experience. Let's make every morning a great one.
All right, let's kick things off with the first habit, chugging down a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Think about it. You just spent the last 6 to 8 hours fasting while you sleep, so it's no surprise you woke up a little dehydrated. That's why starting your day by replenishing those fluids is crucial. It's like giving your body a big ol' good morning. Not only does it help rehydrate you, but it also kickstarts your metabolism and gets everything up and running. We're talking about increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a clearer complexion. And the best part? It's such a simple habit to incorporate into your routine. Just keep a glass or bottle of water by your bed and make it the first thing you reach for when you open your eyes. Let's be honest. Rolling out of bed and straight into a workout might sound daunting, but trust me, getting your heart pumping first thing in the morning is like hitting the on switch for your body and mind. Exercise is a natural mood booster. It releases endorphins, feel-good chemicals in your brain that leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. We're talking about decreased stress, improved focus, and a sense of accomplishment before most people even hit snooze. And the best part? You don't need to run a marathon to reap the benefits. Even a quick 15 to 20-minute workout can make a world of difference. Whether it's a brisk walk, bodyweight exercises, or a quick yoga flow, find something you enjoy and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine.
All right, you've had your water, you've gotten that heart rate up, now it's time to show your muscles some love. We're talking about stretching, people. And no, it's not just for yogis or gymnasts. This is for everyone. Think of stretching as waking up your muscles after a long night's sleep. They've been kind of just hanging out, maybe a little cramped, and they're ready to move. Stretching helps get that blood flowing, gently increasing your flexibility and range of motion. Trust me, those tight hamstrings or stiff shoulders will thank you. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of a good stretch? It just feels good. It's like giving your body a big hug from the inside out. And as you get into the habit of stretching, you'll notice you can move more freely, whether you're reaching for something on a high shelf or just getting up from your chair. We've taken care of the body, now let's talk about the mind. And one of the most potent tools I recommend for mental clarity is journaling. Before you roll your eyes and think it's not for you, hear me out. Journaling isn't about writing a novel or pouring your heart like a Shakespearean sonnet. It's simply about getting your thoughts out of your head and onto paper. It's like a brain dump, a way to declutter your mind first thing in the morning. Think about it. Our minds constantly race with thoughts, worries, and to-do lists. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But when you journal, you create space for those thoughts to breathe, to be acknowledged, and then to let them go. It's incredibly freeing. And the best part is there's no right or wrong way to do it. You can write freely, make lists, doodle, or do whatever feels good. The key is to be consistent. Even 5 to 10 minutes each morning can make a difference. We've talked about taking care of your body and clearing your mind. Now let's talk about cultivating a positive mindset. And one of the simplest, yet most powerful ways to do that is by practicing gratitude. You see, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, focusing on what we don't have and what we want, what's going wrong. But when we consciously shift our focus to what we're grateful for, it changes everything. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And just like exercise strengthens your body, practicing gratitude strengthens your mind, making you more resilient and optimistic, and better equipped to handle stress. Think about it, even on the most challenging days, there's always something to be grateful for. Whether it's your health or your loved ones, a roof over your head, or simply the opportunity to start a new day. All right, let's talk about breakfast. The day's most important meal, and for good reason. Think of it this way. After a night of fasting, your body is like a car low on fuel. A healthy breakfast fills your tank, giving you the energy to conquer your day. And I'm not talking about just any breakfast. We're talking about nutrient-dense, wholesome foods that provide sustained energy release. Skip the sugary cereals and processed foods. They'll lead to energy crashes later on. Instead, choose oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, whole wheat toast with avocado, or a protein-packed smoothie. These options are loaded with complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, keeping you full and energized for hours. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. It kickstarts your metabolism, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and improves focus and concentration. So, make breakfast a priority. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Ever feel like your days just slip away from you, like you're constantly playing catch-up? One of the simplest yet most effective ways to combat this is by planning your day. Taking even 10 to 15 minutes each morning to map out your schedule can make a difference. It allows you to prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and reduce feeling overwhelmed. Start by identifying your most important tasks for the day, those non-negotiables that need to get done. Then, allocate specific time slots for each task, just like you would schedule an important meeting. Planning provides structure to your day, reduces procrastination, and ultimately helps you feel more in control of your time. And when you feel in control, you naturally feel less stressed and more productive. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel constantly bombarded by notifications, deadlines, and endless to-do lists. That's where meditation comes in. Meditation is like hitting the pause button on your mind, allowing you to step away from the chaos and find a sense of inner peace and clarity. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes each day to reap the benefits. There are countless ways to meditate, so find what works best. You can try guided meditations, focusing on your breath, or simply observing your thoughts without judgment. The key is to create a consistent practice. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes each morning and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. You'll be amazed at how much calmer and more centered you feel throughout the day. All right, we're on to habit number 9, and it's one of my personal favorites: reading. Reading is not just a pastime, it's a gateway to endless possibilities and a treasure trove of knowledge. Now you might be thinking, Dr. Mike, I can barely keep my eyes open in the morning, let alone read a whole book. But hear me out. Even if mornings are tough, integrating reading into your routine can be a game changer. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of reading can make a difference. Imagine starting your day with a fresh perspective, a new idea, or a captivating story. Think of reading as a workout for your brain. Just as physical exercise strengthens your body, reading exercises your mind. It stimulates cognitive function, improves memory, and expands knowledge. Each page you turn is like lifting a mental weight, building your intellectual muscles. Just like regular exercise keeps your body in shape, reading keeps your mind sharp and agile. It's a mental workout that prepares you for the day's challenges. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reduce stress and unwind after a long day. Reading can transport you to different worlds, offering a much-needed escape from daily pressures. Now, I'm not saying you must dive into a complex medical journal first thing in the morning. Choose something you enjoy. The key is to find material that resonates with you, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, self-improvement, or even just catching up on the news. The genre doesn't matter as much as the engagement it provides. Find something that piques your interest and gets those mental gears turning. The more engaged you are, the more benefits you'll reap from your reading habit. The key is to make reading a consistent part of your morning routine. Consistency helps form a habit that sticks, making it a natural part of your day. Like any habit, consistency is key. Over time, reading will become as essential as your morning coffee. So grab a book, find a comfy spot, and let your mind explore new worlds and ideas. Dive into the pages and let the stories, facts, and knowledge enrich your life. Happy reading! Let's talk about habit number 10, about setting healthy boundaries with technology. In today's fast-paced world, our devices have become an integral part of our lives, but it's crucial to establish a balance. We're all guilty of that irresistible urge to check our phones first thing in the morning. It's almost like a reflex, a hard-to-break habit. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact this has on your day? But let me tell you, starting your day with a digital detox can be a game-changer for your mental clarity and overall well-being. Think about it. Instead of diving into endless notifications and updates, you can start your day with calm and control. When you immediately expose yourself to the digital world, you bombard your brain with information overload before it has a chance to wake up fully. This can lead to feelings of stress and anxiety even before you've had your morning coffee. Emails, social media notifications, news headlines, they're a recipe for stress and anxiety, setting a reactive tone for the rest of your day. Instead of being proactive and setting your agenda, you're reacting to the demands and information from others. Instead, imagine waking up and giving yourself at least 1 hour of screen-free time. This might seem challenging at first, but the benefits are immense. You can use this time to connect with yourself and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Use this time to focus on yourself, your thoughts, and your intentions for the day. Whether journaling, meditating, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea, these moments of introspection can set a robust foundation for a productive day. Engage in activities that nourish your mind and body like the ones discussed throughout this video. A morning workout, a healthy breakfast, or a peaceful walk can improve your mood and energy levels. You're giving yourself the gift of presence and mindfulness by resisting the urge to plug into the digital world immediately. You're allowing yourself to be fully present in the moment, which can lead to greater happiness and satisfaction. You're allowing your mind to wake up naturally without the distractions and pressures of the online world. This natural awakening can help you feel more grounded and centered as you start your day. Trust me, your mental health will thank you. By making this small change, you prioritize your well-being and set yourself up for a more balanced and fulfilling day. So, try putting your phone aside tomorrow morning and see how it transforms your day. So there you have it, 10 powerful morning habits that can transform your health and well-being. Remember, it's not about doing everything ideally overnight. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 habits at a time and gradually build from there. Consistency is key. The more you prioritize these habits, the more they'll become second nature, seamlessly integrating into your daily routine. Trust me, the positive effects on your physical and mental health will be worth the effort. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to a healthier you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and as always, stay happy and healthy.